Morning everyone, today I am Viraj, the student of class 8, standing in front of you for reading a speech on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31 October 1875. His father name was Vallabhbhai Javeer Patel and his mother name was Ladla Bhai. And his full name was Vallabhbhai Javeer Patel. He was born on Nadali district of the Gujarat and he completed his primary school from his old village Nadalia, and after he completed his high school at the ripe age of 22 years, he was the fourth child of his parents, and his parents think that he will not do anything in his life, but he have another mindset in his brain from his childhood, because he was a growth mindset from his childhood. He said that I will now become a barrister, and after that he wants to study for the barrister, but he has no money, so he get away from his parents for many years, and after studying for two years continuously with renting books from a lawyer from his own village, and after that he cracked the exam of barrister from the England and then went to England, and after completing his degree of law and democracy from there, he got so many offers from UK government said that he will join his barrister of lawyer from his court, but he said that no, I will go to my own country and reject all of the offers, and then after going back to India, he said that now I will become the lawyer of the Ahmedabad. And after completing his practice of the Ahmedabad, he got first time in politics at the 1917. From where he met with the Mahatma Gandhi in 1928, and he got so much interested in politics, and then he joined the Indian National Congress. And after that, after the rising star of the politics in the art of the politics of India, he said that now I will do something for my country. And after that, in 1942, he was the rising star of India. So in a village of Badoli, of his one village sideways, he said that the British were collecting so many tax at the name of the wheat. So after that, he made a satyagraha and become the leader of the farmers for their day. And after that, he got title of Sardar, and the name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And after that, in 1942, Britishers captured him and make him jailer of his jail. And he got arrested for 3 years in his jail. And after releasing from jail, he got 1945 vision. And then at that time, the India got independence, very near to his independence. And after the independence of India, Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of India, and he became the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. And he got some work that now he will join each and every presidency territory of India of the number of huge quantity 565. And after that one, he said that now I will join everything. He joined everything, but at the place of Chinnar, Jammu Kashmir and Hyderabad, they will refuse that we will not join India. So after some effort from the help of army, he made them join India. And from there, at the age of 75, he died on 15 December 1950. And by his honor, he got Bharat Ratna in 1951 and got his statue at the 2018, the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue of the world in the present time. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.